This is a portable chessboard from the end of the 19th century with an associated set of chess pieces, which is a little bit later in date. And this is a great design because, as you can see, it rolls up very practically for travel. So when you want to play with it, you can just unroll it, press it down, so all the pieces are lined up, and then with the weight of the chess pieces on it, it will sit nice and flat to play. And it's such a good design that modern versions are still being made today. And in fact, you also can buy them today made of leather or material. And as you can see, it's made out of a series of slats, rather like a roll-top desk, which are then fixed together with some material behind, an olive cloth in this case, to allow them to separate and roll up nice and easily. And the squares are made of mahogany and boxwood. And this edging, it's probably something like a tulip wood, just to give a bit of definition. So let's put the pieces out so you can see what it looks like. And these would have been sold separately originally. You would have bought the chessboard and then you would have bought a set of pieces, the correct size to go with it. This set is associated with it. We've joined the two together. It's a little bit later in date. It's probably very early 20th century, but the size is just right. The box is made out of what we call a cigar box mahogany, and it's got all of the Staunton chess pieces in there. So let's set it up ready for play so you can see. So there we are, all set up, ready to play. And hopefully you can see that the Staunton pieces are just the right size for this board. And it's quite a nice set. They're made of boxwood and ebonized boxwood. We know it's not ebony because if you take a close look at the pieces, you'll see there's the odd scratch or little mark where you can see the boxwood coming through from the black ebonization on it. And whenever you are looking to buy a Staunton chess set, the way that we judge them is by looking at the knight or the horse. All the other pieces are turned, but the top half of the knight or the horse is carved. And so if you have a close look at that, you'll get an idea of the quality of the carving and so the overall quality of the set. And as you can see, they've also got base at the bottom just to protect the board a little bit. So let's put them back in their box, and then we can roll up the set once more. So this would have been very useful in the late 19th century to the traveller. They could pack up their chess set nice and easily, put it away. It's not going to take up much space in their luggage. And equally today, very useful for the same purposes. Much easier storage than a folding board, and it works very well. So a late 19th century roll-up chessboard made of mahogany and boxwood with tulip wood to the edges, and a boxwood Staunton pattern chess set a little bit later in date, early 1900s. You can see it on our website with lots of photographs at campaignfurniture.com.